for Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
NDA government! Down, down! NDA government! Down, down! NDA government! Down, down!
Kumkadak penpau ke Jingbam Hiar Syuki, Menteri ke Sarkar Padang, ubah kami yaktanat puli puthi udar manra perdhan. Kawai ke Samla barjala, kabai simpanta, haka jingilang paiba, belapelong dekat nyautab youth council, haka apply tek naitung aja pun rio, hak mat ke dorbar tauan barem, kepada nak handai lat selong, pan ajing kerja ni akoko Janata Party, kapapelong yang jingnya ki ajantan mantar New Delhi, pan persya yang jing lait tu jing keli ke eksamen NEET-UG, Clara dekat plakat, kapala Pynthoh yang Shithi Resaiñ, ya Uni Menteri ke Sarkar Padang. Haba ajing kerenangan ni jingelang, kani ke Samla kalong. Nadaw daman ra perdhan, nang Pynthoh ek Shithi Resaiñ, kalong kabalak keluar ban Pynthoh hi maka na jela Meghalaya, ya ka Shithi Resaiñ jong u.
To stop thinking about your power and start thinking about the student. And I would also like, why it's taking too long for you to resign? It's just because you don't know how to write or type a resignation letter. So you just take a paper and pen and make sure it does not leak. And even if you are that much illiterate that you can't even type or write, then I'll send you from Meghalaya and you just take your angutha, then lagao, so thank you so much.
I'm speaking on behalf of all the NEET aspirants who had to face so much of atrocities because of the paper leak, because of the failure of our education system. My question is to the Education Minister of India and to the Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi ji, why can't you conduct an exam fairly? I think you also got this post because of cheating. In the year 2012, they said, Modi said, "अच्छे दिन आने वाले हैं." Now I'm saying, Modi ji हमें खराब दिन रहने देते नहीं। हमारे खराब दिन वापस दे दो। लेकिन पेपर लीक मत करवाओ मोदी जी। Don't play with our lives. We are the future of this nation. Modi ji, I think you should resign. Because you are too old. Dharmendra Pradhan, resign as fast as possible because we are sick of this government. Beti bachao, beti padhao. Now I would like to say, Modi bhagao, desh bachao. Ab ki baar, antim sanskar.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of home. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.